Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. In this video we're going to talk about what is our best microfiber drying towel. Watch this video till the end to learn all specs, all applications, also a test where we figure out how much water will these towels actually absorb. So why do you want to use a good quality microfiber drying towel? After washing, you rinse your car stays wet, and if you do not dry, left on water can leave spots on your paint and on your glass or anywhere over your car, especially if you live in an area with so-called hard water, so there's a lot of calcium in the water. And this can stain your paint a lot. So drying your car after rinsing really makes a difference. First of all, most of the towels are approximately 80 times 80 or 60 times 90 centimeters in size. What I always do, I always fold them 2 times. So doing it like this, I create 8 sides to work with, 4 on the inside and 4 on the outside. Then after rinsing the car, I first will focus on drying the horizontal parts of the car. In the meantime, rest water can roll off the windshield, the bonnet, the trunk, and that water that's rolling away, I don't have to dry anymore. So that means that I get maximum absorbency out of the fibers in my towel. So I use 1/8 for one side. I use the other 8 for the other vertical side. Then I'll flip it around. I use another 8 for, let's say, the front bumper and the rear bumper. And then I have 5/8 left. Then I start with what's left on the car, and I still have 1/8 left of my towel. That dry side I'm going to use for parts where I have some runoffs, parts I maybe didn't touch it correctly yet. And this is how I get the maximum capacity out of my drying towel. So we selected 6 microfiber drying towels for you to make a good and honest comparison on how these will function and how these will result. Starters with the Chemical Guys Chubby Supra Pink Microfiber Drying Towel, which is 60 times 90 centimeters in size. It has a sewn edge, as we can see here. It has, on one side, it has long piles, like we see here. The other side has short piles. And it's a 410 GSM on density towel. This is Chemical Guys Super Absorber Waffle Weave Drying Towel, Microfiber Blue. This one is also 60 times 90 centimeter size. And you see it's got a silk edge. And if you watch closer here, you see all these kind of pockets in this. This is what we call a waffle weave design. And these pockets are very absorbent. So when they encounter water on a surface, the idea is to have the water close in into the pockets of the weave. Different than the chubby microfiber drying towel, you cannot move the fibers here. So I cannot open or close the fibers. Now, with that said, if I have potential pollution or sand particles on the paint before I'm going to touch it with my drying towel, if I would move it in one direction, I cannot close it in into the fibers of the towel. Therefore, for delicate finishes, this is not a correct towel to advise, because it may be potentially risky in creating scratches or potential small damages in your paint or in your finish. In our experience, we can dry 1 large car with this, or let's say 1.5 small cars. And it's a 450 GSM on density microfiber waffle weave towel. Then we have the Deacon Fast Mammoth Drying Towel in a lovely yellow/green color. That's this one. It's 80 times 50 centimeters in size. It's 650 GSM, and you can actually feel that it's much heavier than the other 2 I already had between my fingers. It has on both sides very soft long piles. Very, 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 very soft. It's got a silk edge bending. You can drive with this 2 large cars or 1 large van or truck. Then we have Koch Chemie's Pro Microfiber Drying Towel with a unique stripe kind of design. 80 times 50 centimeters in size. These are 2 towels sewn together. So you can see the line here. And different than all the others, it's got this unique stripe kind of design with very soft microfibers, long piles, next to these short twisted loop towels. It's 950 GSM and it's very intended for large surfaces, for example 2 small to medium sized cars or a large van or truck. Here we have the Liquid Elements Black Hole Evo. I think this is one of our most popular drying towels here in the shop. You can already feel it's kind of heavy. It's also 80 times 50 centimeters. It's 1400 GSM. These are like 2 towels and then sewn together. And different than the others, you cannot see where they are sewn together. So also on the outside of the seam, they have the twisted loop we've designed there. So we would advise the Liquid Elements Black Hole Evo towel also for 2 large cars or long van. Last but not least, let's unpack the Decon Thunder Grizzly drying towel. Very thick, very heavy. Again, this one is also 80 times 50 centimeters in size and it's 1800 GSM. So let that work in for a minute. 1800 GSM. You can actually feel that. I think it's the thickest drying towel that we have in our arsenal. These are actually 2 microfiber drying towels sewn together. And then with both twisted loop and the long piles on the outside. So this one dries really well. It's got long piles. If I streak in one direction, it closes. And if I streak in the other, it opens. So with that, it's very all round, very usable on normal finishes and paints and also on delicate finishes and paints. Easily use this towel in a 4-fold to dry 2 large cars or a large long van or truck. So what is GSM? GSM says gram per square meter, and this is a unit for density of fabrics and weaves. The higher the number is in the GSM, the more absorbent the fabric or weave the towel will be. So if you got a high GSM, then you probably have a very high absorbent drying towel. And if you have a low GSM number, then you have a less absorbing microfiber drying towel. All towels are so-called 70-30% of quality on microfiber. What does that say? That means 70% of microfiber and 30% of nylon. You also see a lot of towels, often a little bit cheaper priced, being 80-20. So in 80-20 towels intend while washing in use, rewashing in use, not to hold up so long as a 70-30 quality. So when you have a 70-30% quality microfiber towel and you wash them correctly, for example, Decon's microfiber rejuvenator, then your towels will give you the maximum performance for as long as possible. How much water actually will these drying towels absorb? We're gonna do a test. So we're gonna fill this bucket up with 5 liters of water. We'll measure it with the Koch measuring cup. Then we'll put in the towel. We let it soak in completely. We get the towel out of the bucket. We lay them here on the bonnet behind me. Then we're gonna measure how much water is left in the bucket by filling it again in the measuring cup. Let's go. 1 measuring cup is 2 liters of water. Let me get a new one. And 1 liter left. So we filled the bucket with 5 liters of water, and here we're gonna put in Liquid Elements Black Hole Evo towel, 1400 GSM. Make sure that it gets the maximum as we can. Let's put the towel here. That's heavy. And let's see how much water do we have left. I hope it fits. So here is 2 liters water. And I would estimate this would be about 2.2, 2.3 liters. So that means that 2.7 liters of water is actually in this towel. And look how soaked it looks now. It's heavy. So here we go with Koch Chemie's Pro microfiber drying towel. Let's put it on the car. Exactly 2 liters. So that means that the Koch Chemie exactly takes 3 liters of water on absorbency. Yes, this is heavy. Now the Decon Thunder Grizzly towel, 1800 grams. Here we go. Again, a lot of bubbles. What the fuck? 1/400. So it means then that it takes 3.6 liters of water. Wow, that's kind of impressive. It's super heavy. So the fast method from Decon with 650 GSM. Let's see how this one goes. Put it in the bucket. What? This is only a 650 GSM towel. And it leaves 1,800. So it takes 3.2 liters. So I'm not a wizard. And I'm certainly not an engineer on textiles. But then how can a 650 GSM on density towel take 3.2 liters of water when a 1,800 GSM towel, which is approximately times 2.5 to 3, takes 3.6 liters. So you need a lot of GSM extra to take 400 ml. If anybody knows the answer, then feel free to write it here below. Happy to learn from you guys and girls as well. So, the good old waffle weave microfiber drying towels. 450 GSM. So, I'm excited to see how this goes. That's 2. Almost another 2. So I would say 3.9 liters. So 1.1 liters in the towel. Yeah, that's definitely less than with the other towels. Put in the Chemical Guys Chubby Super Microfiber Drying Towel link. This one is only 410 GSM, so it's the thinnest of them all. Ooh, a little bit over 2 liters, I would say 2.1. This is 700, 2.8, so there's still 2.2 liters in there. And to be such a relatively thin towel, this is actually not bad at all, I think. For a 410 GSM drying towel, it takes 2.2 liters of water. I think that's quite good actually. So what do we learn from this? More or less that the GSM says something, yes, about the density of the fabric and the weave, but it doesn't say everything about absorbency. Because if you look at the thickness, so the density of the product, and the size, and the price, then nothing can more or less beat the fast mounted drying towel, which is only 650 GSM. But we could have seen in the video how much water it actually will take. Cool. Is absorbency everything? I don't think so. Just to sum it up for me, from a, let's say 1 to 6, the first one for me would be the Decon fast mounted. Not too large, it's not too thick, easier to work with between your hands, between your fingers, to refold it. And as we could have seen, the absorbency is very, very good. That would be my go-to choice. I would put 2 towels on the second place. One is the Liquid Elements Black Hole Evo, together with the Decon Tender Grizzly. There is 400 grams between them, and yes, thicker. We could have seen that it takes the most absorbency, I think 3.6 liters. But thicker also means when you have to glide it over your car or over a car and you have to refold it, it gets a little bit really like thick, and with that, not the most comfortable to work with for me. If you do only large cars and vans and trucks, then I can imagine you would love this kind of towel. But for normal, let's say daily drivers, then I think the 1400 GSM Liquid Elements towel is a little bit easier in use. So it's a little bit more like the sweet spot and absorbency and the comfort in use. Then we go to the Koch Pro drying towel. It's good. I love the design. So normal microfiber and twisted loop microfiber. For some reason it's just not so absorbent. Works good. Also in use it's very nice. It's very soft. So I can imagine for delicate finishes this is a go-to product. But for general I would say that would be the third place for me. And then we go to the Chubby Super microfiber drying towel from Chemical Guys, which is only 410 GSM, and for that it's quite absorbent. Because it's a little bit thinner, it's also very easy to use and glide and position it everywhere, refold it as you want. So I can imagine if you have compact cars, this is an ideal drying towel for you. And last is the waffle weave towel from Chemical Guys. Yeah, we can see why when we started 18 years ago, this was the product you wanted. But if you see today's standards and also to see how the technology has evolved, then it's just not there yet. It's not like how we would like to see it today anymore. The good side of it, it's very versatile, so you can also use it on glass and other surfaces. So making glass streak-free at the same time as you dry your car, that's a nice bonus. Other than that, that's the last one standing. I really hope this information helps you and guides you to find the best drying towel for your purposes. Got some questions? Let us know. Email us, chat with us, or WhatsApp us, or visit us in the shop. We're happy to help you. And if you'd like to know more about drying, especially drying, all the details, then you might want to click on the pop-up banner and watch that video too. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out. Until the next one. Bye-bye.